Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito without soda. First, you'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 lime wedges, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Place these ingredients into a sturdy glass. Now, gently muddle them together. The goal is to release the oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not to shred the leaves. This step is crucial for a flavorful drink. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the rum. Measure out 2 ounces of your favorite white rum and pour it directly over the muddled mint and lime. After adding the rum, fill your glass to the brim with crushed ice. Crushed ice is preferred over cubes because it helps to chill the drink more rapidly and provides a better texture for sipping. Don't be shy with the ice. Now, instead of soda, we're going to use plain water. Add about 3 ounces of cold water to your glass, filling it almost to the top. Give everything a good stir with a long spoon to ensure all the flavors are well mixed and the sugar is dissolved. Finally, for that perfect presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a thin slice of lime. Enjoy your refreshing, soda-free mojito. Your homemade, soda-free mojito is now ready to enjoy. Take a sip and see if it's to your liking. You can always add a little more sugar or a splash more water if you prefer. This version truly highlights the fresh mint and lime, offering a cleaner, less sweet profile than traditional mojitos. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a classic cocktail. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice, along with other great deals. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.